Hello and welcome to Mr. Connolly's Math. Today I'm going to show you how to make a short 1 to 2 minute video project for class. So let's get started. First we'll go to Schoology and we'll scroll on down to the assignment. It's in the Thursday folder, and here's our presentation. Remember, from the presentation we need to get our example problem to make a screenshot. So we find the example problem. Let's scroll on through. Okay, this one looks good. All right, and I want to take a screenshot of it, but I don't want to do it just yet because it's too small. So I'm going to press the 3 little buttons here and enter full screen. There we go. Now I can take a nice screenshot of that. And now don't push it away. Make sure you select it. And now I'm going to crop the top and bottom to make sure that I just have the part that I need for the screen. There we go. All right, now I click done and save to photos. And now I'll switch over to the Photos app. Okay, and so on the Photos app, there we go, we found it. And now I just want to edit. Now you notice that I can crop it again, or I can do some colorization. I don't want to do that. What I want to use is the markup tools. So here's the markup tools right here. So I'm going to press markup. All right, now I'm ready to make my video. So I'm going to swipe from the top right-hand corner down. Now notice that I'm actually still recording because there's no way for me to do this without already be recording. So if you hold down on this button, you need to make sure that the microphone is on. See that red microphone is on? You need to make sure yours is red as well. Okay, otherwise you won't get any sound and you'll have to do it over. Okay, and then you would hit start recording and the screen would look like this. And now you're ready to record. Okay, so now you just read the problem. Remember our introduction? So we would say, hello, my name is Mr. Connally, and this math video is about evaluating algebraic expressions. To evaluate 3x squared plus 5 times the quantity x plus 5 when x equals 2, the first thing we need to do is substitute. Okay, so I would substitute 2 in for both x's. Okay, and then you just continue doing the problem, each step after step, and when you're done, you get your answer, and you would say, in conclusion, this is how you evaluate algebraic expressions. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye. And now you can end your recording, which you would do by pressing the recording button and stop recording. Okay, and now that you're done recording, you can press done on your picture and done again. And you've got your picture there. And now it's time to edit the video. So let's go back to the video that we just made. And now we want to press edit, because now I want to take out the beginning. See how the beginning is a blurry image of myself? You're going to have the same thing. So if you just move this button down, I can find the exact spot right where I'm talking and I've started the video. So that way you can just kind of trim off the parts you don't need, like this. There we go. And that can be my start. And then the ending, maybe I don't want to end. Okay, I don't want that part where it says like stop recording and all that stuff. So I'm going to go just before it and listen to where I say bye. And then I'm just going to cut it right there where I said bye. Okay, and then I click done. I highly recommend save video as new clip. That way if you made a mistake, you don't delete or ruin your original video, and you can edit it again. Okay. All right, so that is how you make the 1 to 2 minute video. I highly recommend that you work the problem out beforehand on paper first, and then use that as your script to read as you're doing the problem. Because remember, you're not showing your face, you're just showing your screen and also what you're writing. And don't forget to make sure your sound is on, so check it. All right, do a bunch of practice videos, do your best. It's okay, you'll get faster each time you do it, and just have fun with it. Be creative, and good luck. If you need anything, please let me know. I'm here to help. Bye.